Hey, what's going on, guys? Just gonna actually clean up this trans a little bit. Just got her looking a little bit better, maybe possibly paint it up, clean out all the clutch shavings and whatnot, and then we'll get her going. So, as you can see, inside's quite dirty, and on the outside it's a little dirty still as well. Now, for going into the manual, I need to keep this switch, so I'm gonna actually pull this loom off and keep the wire up top, so that way I can still use the SOE connector. So this is actually for the reverse lights. It's your reverse switch. And then over on this side is the speed sensor, which I actually won't even be using because the autos take the speed from the ABS. So the way that it works for the autos is that you literally take the ABS sensor from the wheel, it sends a signal over to the skid control module that's underneath the dash, and then from there, that skid module, it actually goes up and then goes to the cluster. Where the manual trans goes from that sensor, and then it goes all the way up to the ECU, and then it runs the body loom back and goes into the, runs the body loom back and then goes into the ECU. So, I just got to tap all that stuff, and I'll have an informational video on that when I'm actually doing the trans swap. But in the meantime, let's just get this all cleaned up. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the YouTube, cut off 3 pieces, like that. I'm going to take a piece of cord, cut all 3 of these. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pretty much fold this back. Now the reason why I shrunk it obviously is because I don't want any of these wires to short out of each other. Ready to signal wire. I've got the big piece of loom, and what I'm going to do, stick this over you. Nice. Good. And then there's 2 wires on the actual automatic transmission. There's a connector with 2 wires that you need, and you literally tap into these 2. So I'm going to leave this connector so that I can still disconnect it whenever I need to remove the trans. Alright guys, so we got our all wire brushed down or sanded down and prepped and ready for some paint. Now you're going to want to make sure that you cover this where the drive shaft input shaft goes into. And then you're also going to want to not get any paint or anything down in your shifter hole. Now this is what this looks like that I cleaned up earlier. It's just double backed and then it's hanging there just in case, and just honestly in case if I ever actually do need it, which I don't think I ever will, but just an absolute case. And then over here is, like I said before, the reverse switch, so I'm just going to tuck this out of the way. Now I just have to, I actually just gotta run over to Part Source right now, go and grab some paint, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright, so as you can see, I'll clean it up. Just gotta remove all the tape and whatnot. Yeah, I got clutch stuff all over me. All good. It looks so much better now. It's funny how much a $10 can of paint can make that much of a difference. Thanks for watching, guys. You guys got any questions? Just let me know. I'll answer them up. Take it easy, guys. Thanks for tuning in.